Hey, getting the too many attempts error on Deliveroo? Don't worry, we'll show you how to fix this quickly. Right, so in order for you to get back to ordering, follow these steps. First, wait 15 to 30 minutes. Deliveroo locks you out temporarily after multiple failed logins. Trying again too soon can make it worse. So, next, if you're on a browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can fix login glitches. After that, guys, go to your browser settings, clear cookies and cached files, then reload Deliveroo. If that doesn't work, try logging in on a different device or a browser. Sometimes the issue is device specific. So in order to clean your data, go to settings in your browser, type in, so go here and just go to advanced and delete site settings and everything else, cache data, cookies, as you can see, and then just press on delete data. Also, disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. These can interfere with Deliveroo's login system. Still stuck, you can contact Deliveroo support via the app or website to help troubleshoot. And that's it. Fix the too many attempts error and get back to your favorite food fast. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you soon.